Why should you buy robot vacuum? Welcome to Vacuumizer. Here are some things why should you buy robot vacuum instead of an ordinary vacuum. Number 1. Simple usability. Number 2. Incredibly efficient. Number 3. Works on different surfaces. Number 4. Time-saving opportunity. Number 5. Detective of all levels of trash. Number 6. Setting of boundaries. Number 7. Small, compact and easy to keep. Number 8. Makes house cleaning speedy. Number 9. Perfect solution for disabled and elderly. Number 10. Economical and cost-friendly. Thanks for watching Vacuumizer. Don't forget to subscribe.